Now that we know what ecosystems in general are, I want to define ecology. Remember, ology means the study of, and eco actually refers to our house. So this is the study of our house. And technically, ecology is the subset of biology that studies how organisms interact with each other and the environment around them. And so the key here is the interaction. Biologists study an individual species of flower or an individual species of butterfly. Ecologists study how the butterfly and the flower interact. Another way to define ecology is the study of ecosystems and how their parts interact. How do different populations interact? How do the populations interact with their physical abiotic components? One of the fundamental concepts in ecology is the idea of the niche, and that is that every organism has a very specific role in its ecosystem. And the niche includes a lot of different parts. So it can include the habitat, so where an organism lives specifically in that environment. And so I'm going to give you a bat example. So here we have some bats living in a cave, and that's their particular habitat. So what does it eat? That's a piece of their niche as well. In this case, these guys are eating flying insects. Who eats it? Who are its predators? That's another piece of the niche. There's a variety of bat predators. Owls will occasionally try and grab a bat, different kinds of raptors. In the tropics, we have a snake trying to get in there and eat some of these bats. Who does it compete with? Another part of your niche is who's trying to eat the same food as you. Swallows are a great example of bat competitors. They live in similar habitats and eat similar flying insects. When is it active? Bats are active at night, swallows are active during the day, and so this actually illustrates a concept in ecology that organisms will specialize their niche so that they don't entirely overlap with another species, and that's going to be a selective pressure for different species. And then finally, does the species have any specific abiotic requirements? And bats, for example, select their roosts entirely based on temperature. So they have a very sophisticated physiology. They go into something called daily torpor. And so it's very important that they find the right temperature. So you put all of these pieces together and you develop the niche for one particular organism. If an ecologist is studying a particular species, they are studying all the aspects of that organism's niche.